Like put it down, like lay it on the ground, or yeah. You gotta call us. Yeah, saying that you're screaming, waving the sword and stuff.
I swear.
What's that?
I swear I'm not screaming.
No, that's fine. I mean, I didn't hear you scream when I pulled up. That's just what the call is
Listen to
referencing.
me now. Listen to me, Owens. Now you listen to me, dog. Oh yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah, what's going on, dude?
I'm trying to achieve something.
Huh?
I'm trying to achieve greatness in the katanas. It's not allowed in the United States.
Well, I mean, we got people calling. I mean, I'm not telling you not to achieve that. What I'm saying is,
I'm a hell of responsible. Unless somebody comes at me and is willing to kill me, I am not willing to kill them.
that's how it should be. I agree 100%. But what we're trying to
But if
understand
they are willing
is,
to kill me, and if they don't accept that they're willing to kill me,
no, I mean, that's not the case, man. Like I said, we're here to see what's going on. All right, it's not every day that somebody's out at a hotel waving a katana. You know what I mean? You're what?
I'm related to Dionysus and everything.
So what are you doing?
I'm practicing my way with the katana so I can become better at combat.
Are you not able to do that in the comfort of your room? Yeah, leave it there, dude. Don't f***ing do it.
Put it down,
I'm telling you right now.
Put it down.
Don't. Are you not able to do that in the comfort of your room? Yeah, leave it there, dude. Don't f***ing do it.
Put it down,
I'm telling you right now.
Put it down.
Don't. .695, shots fired, shots fired. Yeah, leave it there, dude. Don't f***ing do it.
Put it down,
I'm telling you right now.
Put it down.
Don't. Yeah, leave it there, dude. Don't f***ing do it.
Put it down,
I'm telling you right now.
Put it down.
Don't. 695, shots fired, shots fired.